turn number 9, Marquez is scoring, have a look at the inside of Andrea Dovizioso. He shuts the door in turn number 9, Andrea Dovizioso.
Inside, but Marquez is where he needs to be. Brings it up to Zidane, is that Dovizioso? It is!
Dovizioso's going in here, Andrea Dovizioso wins a magnificent race here in Austria. The Marc Marquez, what he have done it again.
Inside, but Marquez is where he needs to be. Brings it up to Zidane, is that Dovizioso? I think it is!
Justin Harsing, Marquez out of the seat. Marc Marquez, big mistake as he came through turn number 8. It's not over yet. Andrea Dovizioso can close right up as they come through turn number 9. Lucky man, Marc Marquez, but he held on to it as he often does, and Dovizioso was not able to take the advantage. Up towards the hairpin they come. Time is running out for the Ducati and Dovizioso.
Inside, but Marquez brings it up to Zidane, is that Dovizioso? I think it is!
Short final, couple of kilometres coming up. Dovizioso pulls out the slipstream. He's attacking up the inside of Marc Marquez. Can he make it through? Dovizioso leads in Japan. He's got through. He's through the tunnel. They're coming up towards the victory here. Turn 12, Andrea Dovizioso. He mugged Marc Marquez on the last lap in Austria. Marquez comes through the final corner. Is he going to run wide? Is history repeating itself like in Austria? Dovizioso has done it here in Japan. His 5th victory of the season. The champion. The second classic last lap showdown of the year between Dovizioso and Marquez, and again it's Andrea Dovizioso that reigns supreme. Massive moment in the 2017 Motogp World Championship. We can just about catch our breath. Petrucci on the podium in 3rd place. And dragging fifth. Jorge Lorenzo 6th. Johan Dovizioso, and again he gets the better of Marc Marquez in the final lap showdown. 3 successive second place finishes. Can he go one better? He's under serious pressure from the world champion.
Maneuvers where there aren't any. It's Marc Marquez, the world champion. Rossi's desperate for these two to engage. Inside, but Marquez is where he needs to be. Brings it up to Zidane. Is that Dovizioso? I think it is!
Brilliant edge grip, and he's so late on the brakes.
Running out of chances here, and he won't care about team communication at the moment, that's for sure. Rossi's there to pick up the pieces should it go wrong, but his eyes are only on this red Ducati that we're on board with now. Will it be Dovi or will it be Marquez? Here we go then. Marquez just really pushing that front end, desperate to get in touch.
He can't do anything more. The kitchen sink and everything else has gone here for Marc Marquez. He cannot do anything more. He's got to make sure he gets in front of Andrea Dovizioso going into that final couple of corners. Can he strike at turn 15? Not close enough through these right-handers. He tries to close up on Dovizioso. He's going to go for it. You know Marc Marquez is going to attack.
He's going to find a way somewhere. If it's 15 or if it's 16, it'll be one of those two corners that Marc Marquez will pounce, and it's not turn 15.
It's not 15. He's close enough. Is he going to strike? Will it be a block pass to break up Dovizioso's rhythm? He moves to the inside. Marc Marquez. Here he comes out on the inside. It's the final call. The Qatar Grand Prix. Dovizioso's getting on the comeback. It's all about the horsepower shootout now.
It's a repeat of Japan. So wins in the penny race of 2018. But what a race it was! Marc Marquez finishes in second. He had to have a go, and he did. Rossi comes home in third. A carbon copy of what we've seen before.
3 epic last quarter showdowns between Marc Marquez and Andrea Dovizioso in the last.
Is that Dovizioso as well?
Dovizioso on every occasion he has come out on top. Marc Marquez gave his all. There was nothing left in the tank from the reigning world champion as he fought to try and win that opening Grand Prix of the year. He misses out by just 200ths of a second. Finally, Andrea Dovizioso tastes victory here in Qatar in a MotoGP Grand Prix. Brilliant second place for Marquez. Cracking ride by Valentino Rossi in third. The top 3 covered by less than 8/10 of a second.
Onto the straight we go. Dovizioso then. He knows what Marquez has got over on that 4th and sector. Now they're breaking defensive line.
How good did Dovizioso get that? The caddy hooked up coming out the first corner. He was able to open up a good half a dozen wide legs to Marc Marquez. But Marquez, he's lethal. He's a ding on the brakes. He makes a move. Devastating the braking zone for turn number 3.
He won't have a go into turn 4. It's too fast, but he's got a great line through turn 4. And now we go into turn 5. Is he going to have a go? Yes, he is. And that's brilliantly done by Marc Marquez. But he goes wide. Dovizioso comes back through. He's got the inside line again, but he closes the door on it. The two Yamahas all of a sudden close up on the pair of them.
Dovizioso had his nose one truly wide there by Marc Marquez. That was super aggressive from Marc Marquez. Vinales and Rossi, they're fighting it out for the last place in the podium. Are they still fighting it out for a victory? Dovizioso find anything. They sweep now through turn number 9. Just 3 corners left through turn number 10. Dovizioso is going to go back the last corner. He's prevailed over Marc Marquez so many times. Here comes Andrea Dovizioso. Dolby versus Marquez going into turn 12. Dolby. Marquez trying to go in turn.
What's going to happen? Oh!